Remember, if we are using to and for with purpose and reasons, then to is going to be using a verb and for is going to be using the noun. Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak American with Anu. I am Anu, your dramatic linguist, and today we are going to talk about two important vocabulary words, to versus for. Before we get into this video, I make fun, short, easy videos every Thursday on vocabulary, culture, grammar, and pronunciation so you can get better at your American English. Let's go! All right, let's get started. Thanks to one of my subscribers and his question, we are going to explain to and for. To and for have many meanings. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing the top 3 uses of to and for. Here are the top 3 uses of to. Number 1, to is used when we go towards something or in the direction of something. Leslie is going to France next summer. Turn your head to the left and now turn your head to the right. Number 2, receiving something. Sarah gave the present to Sam. Lauren is always mean to her brother. Sam is receiving the present from Sarah, and Lauren's brother is receiving her cruelty and meanness from Lauren. Number 3, a reason or a purpose for doing something. We use to for a reason or purpose when the explanation uses a verb. For example, I came to see you. Bob called to wish Laura a happy birthday. This can be clearer if we were to say in order to. I came in order to see you. Bob called in order to wish Laura a happy birthday. But we don't need to use in order to. The word to is good enough. I came to see you. Bob called to wish Laura a happy birthday. Now let's look at for. Stick around to the end of this video for 2 bonus examples. The first use of for, in support or in favor of something. I'm cheering for Sam. Let's say you go to watch Sam play soccer and you're cheering for Sam. I'm cheering for Sam. Woo! Go Sam! Or how about this phrase? If you're not for us, you're against us. Number 2, to represent something. Bill works for YouTube. I speak for myself. I don't let anybody else speak for me. Number 3, to describe the reason for something when the explanation uses a noun. For example, she became a pop star for the fame, not for the art. We need to study hard for this test if we want to do well. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that all of your friends can get better at their American English. I'm always trying to find new things to talk about, so please type in the comments below anything that is still confusing for you in American English, and I will make a video about it. All right, if you stuck around till the end of this video, here are 2 bonus examples. I just found this example on Instagram. I wanted to use somebody's words as a way of showing you what real people are saying and how we can correct it to correctly use to and for. Here's what somebody said, and here's a very common mistake that people make. Marrying a foreigner for love. Marrying a foreigner for not going to the military. Remember, if we are using to and for with purpose and reasons, then to is going to be using a verb and for is going to be using the noun. If we use a verb or a verb phrase like going to the military or not going to the military, what do we have to use? To. So here's how I would say this. Marrying a foreigner to not go to the military. Let's take an example. You want to eat pasta with shrimp for dinner tonight. So you go to the grocery store and you buy shrimp for the pasta. I bought shrimp to make pasta. To make pasta. I bought shrimp for the pasta. For the pasta. Hope that helped explain to and for. I'm working on getting you free content to download so that you can have all of these resources at your disposal. Stay tuned and I will keep you updated when I have that ready. Check out my last video right over here. Until next time, practice makes progress.